Well, hello everybody. Day after my little escapade yesterday at the at LBL, and I'm a little sore today. Not as sore as I thought I'd be. I thought I wouldn't even go out today, and I feel pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my 10 mile today, and well, I'm gonna go out for a ride. I'm gonna see how this thing works. I put a camera on top of my head to see if I could get some footage, and see how it works. I'm gonna try out my new mirror too. Tired of not being able to see behind me. And kind of dangerous. So we'll see how that works. Let's go see what it does. My daughter said I look like the guy from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids with the helmet with everything on it. But we'll see. Alrighty. Well, I made it back, and how many miles we got now? Yes, 184 miles. I just did my 10 miles and still have 3 bars left. But it's real hilly here. There's my seat. I put the seat up a little bit more now. I'm gonna try it out next time. I'm trying to. It's awful tall for me to get on, but once I'm on, I'll be all right, I think. Well, anyway, but when I went out the driveway, I passed the FedEx in the driveway, and here you go. We got our new bikes. Got the bikes for the girls. Big hole in the side here. Hopefully it didn't hurt nothing. So let's see what we got here. Well, there's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like it's packed pretty good. Looks like it's packed pretty good. So let's get going here. She's riding her bike.
That's nice.
So what do you think?
I love it. Are you going again? Does she know what a throttle is?
Well, trying out her new seat from our trap over there. She needed a seat, she said. Now we got a seat. How'd it work?
Works good. It needs to be put up just a tiny this way. Can you do that?
Yeah.
So I keep sliding down.
Okay.
So just a little bit up.
It's just a Schwinn, saddle seat made for when you're right upright.
The other seats, they really bothered me. The other seats, and I said, when I get my new bike, I am going to get a seat that I can ride, and this one's very comfortable. So I give it a 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up for the seat.
Yep.
Alrighty, well, be sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to be showing you more about these. as we ride and stuff, and as we try them out. So talk to you later.